What's up, everybody? It's me again. Don't forget my freaking YouTube name. But this is actually the first video. I've tried uploading a few other ones, but they failed. But I'm gonna try them again, and I'll be showing y'all the farm tractor, the one we use the most, actually. Look how dusty that is. We got them baling hay yesterday. Time to pressure wash it. This is the 2004 Massey Ferguson 5455. Pretty good tractor. Got the front loader off of it. There's the full tractor. And there is the Hyundai Robex 130 track hoe. Use it a lot, actually. Surprisingly, it hasn't tore up. Good excavator. Good excavator. Back to this. There is one thing we have wrong with it, though. There is a slight hydraulic leak. The only thing matter with it. But the rest, that is another thing we had to put on it. Quick connect. Simple though. Just screws right out of there. Get you a pop wrench or a wrench or something. Put on that back there. And it loosens right off. Pretty simple though. Good of a tractor. I'll show you the interior. There's a toolbox. The top broke off of it. Sorry, it is a little messy, but everybody that I know has a messy tractor. I did take the key out of it last night though. But I mean, it's usually a simple tractor. You know, there's your gear shifter, your loader, your idle basically, and you got your hydraulic. For the baler, this one's the arm for the string, and you got your okay, that's your PTO, four-wheel drive diff lock, and then you got your lift. That's up that way, and this is down. Then get your e-brake, pop wrench, power pliers. Then you got your hazards, your front lights. And then it's hard to remember this. I think that's the back and that's the front up top. Been a while since I had the lights on though, but been a good tractor though. Good tractor. Pretty for sure that it is. I think it's 90. Not really for sure though, but I'm pretty sure it is actually 95 horsepower, maybe 100. Not really positive on that. I did know for sure, but not at the moment. I've done forgot, but if I ain't got no subscribers right now, I mean, it is the first video. Tried uploading several. But that is the Massey 5455 2004. And there'll be more to come. I'm gonna do our other tractors, our equipment, and cornfield. We're about to start on corn, maybe this week sometime. We've got a 2-row, something simple. Where we live, we don't need that big equipment and everything. Nothing too special. But here's the track hoe. This thing, we really haven't pressure washed this thing at all or anything. It's been greased recently. It's done every work we put it through though. Just changed the oil on it. Tracks are pretty good. But I've run this thing several times. Runs very good. That's a grease fitting. It maybe greased it maybe a week ago. But guys, hit the like button, subscribe. See more of the farm videos. Peace out, guys.